How to fix the Discord bot commands not working. First of all, open the Discord app. Then simply tap on your server, tap on the server name, then tap on settings. Now scroll down and go to the roles. Now tap on everyone or the permission. Now from the permission tab, scroll down to the text channel permission. Now look for the use application command. You will find it under apps permission. And you must ensure that the use application command is toggled on. If it is by chance toggled off, make sure it is toggled on by tapping on it. This will allow you to use / command if the bot is not working. Then simply close the application and try clearing the app case by long pressing on it and tap on the app info icon. Now simply scroll down to the storage section and you'll see your case. Tap on case to clear any corrupted files and hit back. Now tap on force stop and tap on OK. Now close the application from your menu. And this should fix your problem. That's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, consider give a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.